All right, this is day 8, and I just got back from the mausoleum. Uh, I uploaded 5 or 6 videos about the experience, and you can check out the view. And I tried to get the trumpet. Had some problems there, um, but overall, I think it was a very good experience. And standing in line to go to the museum, I met a student. And we had a nice chat, and he told me some jokes, some like the inside scoop, what people talk about in Turkey regarding like history with the Greeks and history with the Armenians. So it's like this passed down um, kind of perspective, So it's a joke, but it's kind of real in the sense of it's the Turkish perspective in that regard. It's not like PC, It's so certainly it'll go in the book, but I don't think I want to say it here. But I wrote it down. He also gave me some information regarding people's respect for Ataturk, and I think I'm going down the right road. Overall, it was a good experience. I asked him a couple questions, and we had lunch, and then we went for coffee, and then we met someone at the coffee shop. Just she asked me a question about travel visas because she thought I knew something about visas. I told her to go see a lawyer, but I did ask her what she thought about Greek food, and she said, "Oh, they're all copycats." So it's kind of this idea, but it depends. She made a very general statement about Greek food, but when it came to um, shared food with Middle Eastern, like the Arab world, she said, "Oh, we got that from the Arabs. Lahmbajin. I forget the Turkish name, but names are very important. I think the name of the dish differs from country to country because one, it's maybe it translates different, and two, I think it takes the otherness um, out of the dish. For example, Greek coffee versus Turkish coffee, they're basically the same thing. But I think a Greek would say Greek coffee and a Turkish person would say Turkish coffee because it takes the other out of the equation, and I think that goes to show the intensity of the feeling toward each other. I think that's very important. I might see that repeated in Armenia, but we'll see how that goes. So just chatting with different people, getting their perspective, and getting some tidbits of knowledge. I also got a lot of Turkish history. This is the second time I went to the mausoleum. The first time I went through it very quickly. The second time, this time, I went through slower, and I got a good sense of the popularity of, or the not popularity, but like the love of Ataturk in Turkey. I got a very good understanding of that. Um, and yeah, so that was good. And I might go to the cemetery, a Turkish cemetery. I remembered something today. In Greece, I took a food cooking class and food tour, and unfortunately, they don't like Macedonia. They don't have those here. Um, so I'm kind of, it would have been great, but we'll find things. We'll find stuff. I have an appointment on Monday and on Tuesday, so those are great. I have 2 appointments, so tomorrow will be Sunday. So Sunday I don't know what I'll do, but we'll figure it out. Um, it's raining. It's raining today, um, and it's cold. Like it says 18 degrees Celsius, but it feels much colder than that. For the Americans, I think that's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Um, so it was nice. It was nice, especially um, during the day. It was warm, but there was a cool breeze. Yeah. So what did I eat today? Breakfast was good, and then the usual breakfast from the hotel. You have boiled eggs and cucumbers and tomatoes, and soup. There's soup. There's also some bureks, some phyllo dough pastries. I might have showed a picture of that. So, and what else? Yeah. So that was a day. I mean, pretty good. Um, Feeling kind of hungry, even though I ate lunch late. I'm feeling a bit peckish, but it's cold and it's rainy. I don't feel like going out. So maybe I'll just have some nuts. But I enjoyed the day today. I got some good stuff, and tomorrow I will transcribe the recording, and then uh, try to find something to do tomorrow. Hopefully, the weather was less rainy. So, anyway, thank you so much. And yeah, we uploaded a lot of videos today. So, some of them are the same stuff, but there's little tidbits in there that are different. So, that's okay. And let me show you something here. So, whenever I chat with somebody, give them this little pin, just as a little keepsake. And so far, everyone's really happy about that little token. The person I interviewed today he said, I can't believe I got a souvenir from the United States. So the United States is really central, I think, to the people love the United States. Like they love the United States have a lot of soft power, but I think the government has hurt the reputation. So the contact today, he said, the Turkey is still manufacturing F-35 parts, but the United States won't sell the F-35 to Turkey, even though Turkey's part of that program, and they're selling it to Greece. And so, Turkey is an essential power. It's a significant power. I mean, there's 80 million people here in the country, and so I think kind of ensuring that Turkey stays in a pro-Western camp would be central. And I think that this is the United States should do a little bit more. The walls in the hotel are very thin, and so sometimes I hear strange noises, and I thank God I can't hear what they're saying. I don't like to eavesdrop, but all I can hear is and sometimes it's just weird. Anyway, thank you so much, and have a great day or night, and until next time.